Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your USDT from Binance to your bank account. It's quite easy. Please make sure you have a Binance account, and if you do not have a Binance account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, your next step after logging in is to simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once at the wallet section, you're able to have an overview of your wallet and take a look at where your crypto is stored. As you can see, I've got it on my funding. So you can simply click on the funding and you're taken to where your crypto is. Now, in order to send or withdraw your crypto into your bank account, you head over to the home section and click on the P2P menu. As you can see, we already have the USDT on our Binance, so all we need to do is select the sell option. And now by selecting the sell option, your next step is to simply head over to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once there, simply click on the payment methods. And once you've selected payment method, click on add a payment method. And once you've done that, you're met with the list of payment methods according to your region. So once you've been able to add a payment method, all you need to do now is simply head over to the home section, head over to the wallet again, and now simply click on the transfer option and simply transfer your USDT. Type it in, USDT. Transfer your USDT from either your funding to your spot or from your spot to your funding. Please make sure you're transferring from your spot to your funding so that you can be able to sell. And once you've done that, head over to the home, select the P2P, select sell USDT. That's this sell option here. Once you've done that, simply scroll and click on sell again and enter the amount you wish to sell. And by doing so, you can click on sell with zero fees and it's done. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of these and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.